Yo guys, today we are going to continue watching Shield Hero. Last episode we get a very cool moment with Fall transform and Mega Evolve into a fully white tiger and defeat the Chimera ass looking creature. To be honest, Jaralis actually looks good in that form. Like compared to his other form, which is the normal lion form, that form actually makes him look cooler. But yeah, we finally kill him and we get to visit some of Fall's childhood or his home. And yeah, it's a very good episode. It's very a good episode. And yeah, I don't really have that much to say. I'm not that invested with Fall, but I feel like I like him more now. Same with Atla. I wish that Atla cared more about her family, but it's kind of understandable. She is really young when every shit happened to his family. Like she was a infant, so of course she's not going to remember or going to have any attachment to it. But at least she can appreciate the cooking that the brother did that supposedly copied or replicating her mother's cooking. So yeah, that's good. Now that we are finally go to Qton Low, I think. Me- um, I wonder what kind of people or roster they're going to bring. I hope they bring the white hair girl, the new girl that doesn't speak much, the Kudere. So yeah, let's start the reaction.
これをわしに
ああ、今朝アトラと作ってきた。
Who is this actually? I still don't know. And it seems that he really cares about the white tigers.
お口に合うといいのですが。
これは
お袋の味というそうです。
Is it the mother related? Wait. I just realized. Is the mother related to him? Like the mother is his sister or something?
しょっぱかったですか？
いやうまいうまい実にうまい
フォールさん、アトラさんはやはりクズの妹。
Or it is. Or like I know it. It is the king. I cannot believe the king actually has redeemable qualities in him. So the fact that he called yeah trash. Trash is his new name, right? But I didn't think about that. Like I knew that he looks like the king, but I'm having second doubts. But then it's already confirmed. Damn, why? It's kind of insane that both those trash characters still plays a role in the story. Like both his daughter and him. But at least he has some redeemable qualities, I guess.
の子でした。
フォールとアトラにも伝えた方がいいのか。
関係を築けただけでクズは十分だそうです。シルトベルトはどうでしたか？厄介事も多々あったそうですが。
Dude. The more I watch it, the more I want to know what happened to the king. Like, how did he got corrupted? Did he spoil Maltese too much or something else? Like, the fact that he is that strong and he's the reason that the white tigers even lost, and the fact that he actually cares for the white tigers in a sense, the fact that his sister married to the white tigers, like meaning that he is uncle for Fall and Atla. So it makes me wonder what happened for him to change to become evil. Like compared to Malte, I don't hate the king that much. I just hated that she supported his daughter, that bitch ass daughter, so much. But the more then I know the law of him, the makes me wonder what happened. I want some justification for why he did things that make Dofumi become the villain. Like, come on. Like, if you want to give, like, at least give me a reason for why he did. Maybe it already told in one of the stories, but genuinely don't know.
言われたことを身をもって理解したよ。
Too bad there's no cut content
岩谷様の
for this anime.
シルトベルト軍も法王への対処
Oh.
に助力してくれる運びとなりました。
相変わらずの手回しだな。
今は法王戦への備えが万事に優先しますので。それで岩谷様は
法王への対処は進めるが、不天狼の問題には型をつけさせてもらう。後方に不安を抱えたままじゃ前線に戦力を集められない。
承知しました。ラフタリアさん。
はい。
次にお会いするときは国賓としてお迎えすることになるかもしれませんね。
すみません。大事な時期なのに。
ラフタリアが気にすることじゃない。領主としてするべきことをしてるだけだ。
ナオミ様。
手料理の反応はどうだった？
ご覧の通りですわ。
うまそうに食ってたぞ。
用事が済んだならさっさと戻るぞ。準備ができた。
Damn, they're being so kind to the king. I really, like, did he do something for, or did he reveal some information to Naofumi or something about the siblings or something? Like, honestly, the fact they are so nice to him, well, I guess he is, like, it's kind of hard. I don't hate him so much. Compared to that bitch ass daughter that he has, I don't hate him as much as his daughter.
出発だ。
Leaving port. Come on.
戻ってきたのね。
どうしたの？
不天狼行きのメンバーを選びにな。
あの子たちは村のみんなのおかげですっごく強くなったんだよ。
戦力は大いに越したことはないが、村の守りも固める必要があるからな。
サディナ姉さんが一緒に来てくれたら心強いですね。
Oh, dude again.
詳しいだろうし。
Because she knows the area.
アトラさんとフォール君でしょうか。
So they're still coming.
シルトベルトでも活躍してたしな。そういえば、イツキとレンは
稽古中よ。夜には帰るって。
呪いの影響は未だあるとはいえ、二人は死生勇者だからな。どちらかには来てほしいが。
Oh,
行くならこの子も連れて行くといいわよ。
ガエリオンを？
クテンロウは水竜様に守られた国なの。
oh, Galleon.
ガエリオンちゃんなら水竜様の気配を感知できると思うわ。
じゃあ、連れて行くか。
私も行きたい。私だって戦えるよ。
Oh. Look at that. Look at the instant sound the moment she got back. Oh. That's, I don't know why, that's funny for me.
覚えてるか？いつまた奴らが来るかわからない。みんなの命を守るのも大切な仕事なんだ。頼めるか？よし。それじゃ。
Oh, it's the blacksmith. He's one of the OGs. Oh my god, it's been a while since since we met him. To be honest, like one of the OGs that actually make suits for or armor for Naofumi and Raphtalia.
俺もクテンロウに連れてってもらえねえか。こないだ襲ってきた奴らの武器を調べてみたんだがな。こいつを作ったのはおそらく俺の師匠だ。
確かなのか？
Oh.
俺の見立てではな。長いこと行方不明だった師匠を見つけられるかもしれないんだ。頼む。
Oh,
危険な旅になると思うが、問題ないか？
冒険者をやっていたんだぜ。レベルは
what level? Whoa! 87? What? How, that he is so. Whoa! Damn, bro. This reminds me of what you call when we just know that the Mamma Mia from Danmachi actually is level 5 or 6. Like, whoa, his level. He's higher than any of them. Maybe he doesn't have abilities that is strong, but damn, bro.
地味に高いな。
道中の武器の手入れも引き受けるからよ。
わかった。よろしくな。
感謝するぜ。
A two middle-aged guy.
そういうことだったんですね。
ラフタリアの最初の師匠だから。
Oh yeah.
いつきたちが戻ってきてからか。明日の朝には立ちたいところだが。
What the fuck?
意味やたちに着させられたんだよ。
Goodness. Why you say? Oh, no, what? Why so? Why your expression feels amused by it? Why? Are you like that now for me? Are you into that?
男の子か。
男じゃなくて実は女の子だった。
Wait, what? Dude, I didn't know that. Like, I know this character, and I didn't like what?
売り子用の服を採寸した時判明したのよね。俺は絶対男だって思ってたんだ。私もです。それにしてもその格好は創作意欲がかきたてられたそうです。みんな大注目だったよね。嬉しくないって。
The man.
直文様。
キール、今後行商に行くときはその服を着ろ。商売は注目しろ。
And more attention is what. No, for me, you are so insane. This is a minor. Like, no, for me, brother. What? even Rudius doesn't use kids to promote things like this. What the hell?
お前の才能は生かせる。
だけど俺は強い男になりたいんだよ。
男も女も解消は大切だ。わかったな。
兄ちゃんがそう言うなら。直文様、目がお金になってますよ。
Dude, it's such a what? That's insane over me, bro. This is child level, bro. He's extorting this child for his abilities to be a crossdresser or to be. Oh my god, dude. I read the whole entirety of Mushoku Tensei. I never see Rudis does this shit, bro. This is insane. Bro literally said sex sell.
帰ってきたんですね。
向こうでは大変な目にあったそうだが、いろいろとな。俺がいない間、村に異常はなかったか。
視覚の襲撃はなかったんですが、村の周囲に爆発の跡がありました。
罠でも仕掛けようとしたのかもしれない。あるいは何者かと交戦したか。だが、誰と
He still don't know. Motoyasu is being. Dude, Motoyasu alone is guarding this entire village. Oh my god, Motoyasu, I can't believe this guy has become one of the goats in this anime. Like, people who watch season 1 wouldn't expect this from Motoyasu, to be honest. Oh.
槍の利きが今一つですな。ならば力の根源たる我が命ずる。真理を今一度読み解き、我が前の者たちを燃やし尽くせ。ドライファファイヤーストーン。
Guys, this is the power of a lolicon, bro. this is a lolicon that is so simple for that girl to the point that he's becoming stronger and stronger just to appease to his father-in-law. Like, dude, this is true Diddy though. That he ki-
何事もなく良かったです。
今度調べてくるか。
ねえ、直文。
どうした？
忙しいのは分かってるけど、一人屋さんのお願いも忘れないでね。
九天楼の件が片付いたらな。
前払いで報酬をもらっちゃってるんだから。
ああ。
姉ちゃんすぐ行くから待ってて。
お願いか。姿勢勇者が仲良くなるためと前に言っていたが。
レンさん、買い出しリストを見てもらえますか？
干し肉を追加しよう。在庫が減っていたからな。
いつもありがとうございます。
Damn. Oh damn. It's so weird seeing that all the heroes is all together since because they are always in conflict for like for 3 seasons they are in conflict, and now in season 4 they are all together and they are technically in under what Naofumi's order, right? Like they're following every order that Naofumi give.
頼りにされてるんだな。少しでもできることをしたいからな。これでも村の一員だから。
Yeah.
ナフミ、クテンロウには俺たちも同行した方がいいか。そうだな。連中には生武器は有効じゃないかもしれないがな。クテンロウまでは船旅だ。海上での戦いになったら遠距離攻撃が役に立つだろう。いつき、リーシア、来てくれるか。
わかりました。
頑張ります。
レンには村が襲われた。
I don't like that when Korisha still clings to him. Like I don't that he's the first one. I don't remember the backstory, but I feel like he's the one that first lent a hand to Risha. But then he said, but Risha did something to help Naofumi, and then he practically abandoned her. Like, like she is simping for him very hard.
指揮を取ってほしい。エクレールと一緒に村を守ってもらえるか。そうか。村のみんなもお前を頼りにしているようだしな。今は呪いの解除を進めておいてくれ。必要な時はポータルで呼ぶ。
If I'm not mistaken, I don't remember, like their curse is different than Naofumi. Naofumi curse of Wrath will actually drop his level down, while for them, I think the curse is kind of different for each seven deadly sins curse gives a different effect on the body, and if I'm not mistaken, only Naofumi only has one. And if I know, and the other heroes, I think they have at least one or two sins curse, which is you can see that the curse is very strong, but damn, the nerf they give after you use it is insane. And I don't, and Naofumi hasn't used the ref shield for a very long time. I don't think even the last season he even used. I think he used a different type of shield, which is what I call related to that girl from second season, which is probably people forgot. But that's the buff that he got. But I hope that the other heroes do get a buff though. Because I heard the scaling in this anime is kind of insane because Shield Hero actually goes to very incredible multiverse or something. I don't know how, but I know that it's past solar system level of power scaling, which is kind of insane. But I guess it does make sense because this anime has a lot of relation to different worlds and everything, and I just don't know how because I don't know how Naofumi will fight someone that's that strong just yet. I guess from the waves, I guess. But it's just that the anime's what you call it, path or the plot feels very unpredictable compared to other animes. Like for some anime, you know there's a goal, but for Shield Hero, it feels weird. Like you don't know what is going to go because I know the Naofumi just want to return home. It's the same plot or goal as Arifureta, but because their goal is just to return home, you cannot predict what will happen to the plot because the goal we don't know what I call the requirement to go to the other world. So it's kind of hard to predict what will happen to the story because the goal is so what I call straightforward compared to, and because of that, a lot of the arcs feels doesn't related to the goal that they actually have. So it's really hard to predict because a lot of the arcs doesn't even focus on the goal. While like while with like Isekai with Mushoku Tensei, ReZero to the beginning after the end. The beginning after the end is kind of hard to predict. I heard it's already end, and I'm probably going to start reading it and finish it because I just want to finish it. It's one that I have spent so much time reading that, so I at least want to finish it. But for ReZero and Mushoku Tensei, yeah, this I feel like these two anime is way more unpredictable. Like I can see the goal though. Like for Mushoku Tensei, ah man, because the goal of the anime gonna exist after in Turning Point 4. Turning Point 4 where Mushoku Tensei started to have a really what you call what you call visible goal. While for ReZero, it's we don't really have a goal. We just want to make Emilia queen. But other than that, there's too much mystery. Like there's no goal in like the goal of ReZero is essentially like it's like Lord of the Mysteries because they focus on unraveling the secrets of the world. Like I can see what, and I feel like the way they do it is very interesting because they focus on the law of the world compared to other animes, and that's why ReZero and Law of the Mystery is very good or people like it because it's very easy to because they focus on the world's law. They don't need to focus on failures or anything. Like, well, they do have failures, but those failures is just to be an interval or just a time interval between this plot and another plot. But yeah, Shield Hero for me, I feel I don't know where it's going. I don't know the end goal for them, and the end goal is just returning home, which is not interesting compared to Mushoku Tensei, ReZero, The Beginning After the End, Lord of the Mysteries. Those four anime of these four is isekais. Yes, Lord of the Mysteries is isekai. I feel like they at least they have a vision for what they do, and you kind of understand what they're going to do, what they're going to focus on the plot. While for Shilero, I don't know. Like the first season it focused on revenge, but then the revenge plot has ended. So I feel because of that, Shilero has lost its momentum or its initial goal, and now it hasn't able to pick up the momentum after that, and they just started to introduce multiple world lines or multiple worlds, which is now they just increase the what I call the cosmology or the world building more bigger, makes it very hard because you went in thinking that it's a small world, then it suddenly becomes a bigger world than you realize. So and then because you make it the world bigger, suddenly you don't know what to expect anymore.
直文様、天命って一体何なんでしょう。資格を差し向けてまで地位を守ろうとするなんて。
地位や権力にしがみつくのは人間の差が
True.
じゃないか。
True.
私は興味ありませんけど。
その意志を九天牢の連中に伝えてやれ。
はい。
奴らが理解するかどうかは別の話だが。
I feel like their goal is different though.
頼んでおいた物資は用意できたか。
ほぼすべて積み終え、残りは1割ほどでしょうか。
1割でこの量ですか。
勇者様にもしものことがあってはいけませんので、少々多めにご用意させていただきました。
噂通り至れり尽くせりなんですね。
僕はあまり歓迎されてないみたいですが。
そうみたいですね。
Oh, isn't this guy has some so I guess he has a bad reputation in Sylvan, I guess. Well, the heroes are like, to be honest, I don't like the three heroes did cause a lot. Like Shihiro is rising in reputation, while the three cardinal heroes, the other one, are slowly by gaining a bad rap. So yeah, it's kind of hard, I guess. But at least they are all in what you call Naofumi's order or group.
恐れながら申し上げます。偽りの天命一行は我が国に向けて出航したとのことです。ご安心ください。天にあだなす不届き者はこの国に踏み入ることさえ叶いません。 すべて私にお任せください。天命様のお優しき御心を万民に知らせ
Dude, I feel like the emperor doesn't even want to attack them, but it's just that this bitch is just doing orders that making like doing orders that even the emperor doesn't want to do.
ために。
Yeah, he's a bitch. Bro reminds me of Melty.
縁起でもないポーズするな。
Oh really?
不思議な光ですね。あれがないと九天楼にはたどり着けないのよ。見て。
Holy fuck, that's Whirlpool. That's Uzumaki.
方に進まないと渦に阻まれちゃうのよ。
Oh, Uzu.
前方に渦潮あり。面かじいっぱい。面かじいっぱい。
Ralph! Ralph-chan!
こんな海をサディナやラフタリアの両親は抜けてきたのか。
そうよ。お父さんとお母さんもこの海を。
厄介な渦潮だな。
ああ。なんでまた親父の師匠は九天楼なんかにいるんだ。
さあな、女の尻を追いかけたり借金取りから逃げたりしてあちこちよ。
ダメ人間か。
問題だらけの人だが腕は一級品だ。師匠の作った武器に一目惚れして弟子入りを決意したほどだ。
そんなにか。
あの人にまた会えたらもう一段上に行ける気がするんだ。
それだけの実力者なら親父から乗り。
Oh, damn CG.
周辺に異常は。
サディナの言う通り遠くにドラゴンの気配を感じるな。
水流ってやつか。
Holy fuck, he has a voice? What the fuck?
近づいてみたが
What, when?
結界に阻まれた。
I guess it's in season 3. Like, I didn't watch season 3 until the end, so. What the fuck? His voice is so deep.
霧が。
何事もなくつければいいが。
村まで乗り込んできた連中だ。このまま上陸できるとは思えない。警戒を怠るなよ。右舷後方から何か近づいてきます。船です。このままだと衝突します。
Ooh. Ooh, they actually ram into each other. What the hell? Oh, damn.
私に任せて。力の根源たる我が命ずる。
Damn, they got. Damn, their attack got blocked. Damn.
今一度読み解き。理活しよう。我が前の者たちを打ち貫け。アルドライファー、ゲインライトニング。
Oh, damn.
捨て身すぎます。
ズバリトーラ。
助かるわ。ナオジちゃん。
Damn, he made that so that the lightning it all redirects to him only. Oh, holy shit! Whoa! That guy's insane. Like they're in the sea too, so there's no what I call a lightning conduct to go to the ground or anything.
生け捕りにして情報を引き出したいが。敵に自爆させるな。その前に片付けるぞ。
了解。わかりましたわ。お兄様、船酔いしてる場合ではありませんわよ。
分かってる。
スターダストブレイド。
攻撃は効かないか。
死ねい偽りの天命レアットシールド
Haha. Wait, open. Ooh. Oh, good job, Dragon. Ooh, that's dangerous.
追撃はいい回収は不利だ
押し切るわよ改良ちゃん大撃盛り
Holy fuck. What a combo move.
天命様に栄光あれまずいさせるかシールドプリズン
Oh, damn. What is suicidal people, bro? They're all kamikaze themselves. What the heck?
助かったぜハンちゃん。
周囲に敵戦はありません
どうやら乗り切ったようですね。
直文様の従者たる私たちがいる限り何度来ようと無駄なのですわ
やっぱこれもか。
こんな海域で襲ってくるなんて
それだけ俺たちに来てほしくないってことだろうな。
このまま九天楼まで行ければいいんだけど。
What the fuck? What the hell? That's not a whirlpool anymore. What the heck? World tornado now? Okay, no. Tornado pool. World tornado? What? That's just mean tornado. Whoa, they grab no Australia. What the? Whoa. So the whirlpool just what the fuck? They disappear. What the heck?
ここは大丈夫か。
はいよかったここにいたのね
Philo is not.
お前たちも巻き込まれたんだな。
水竜様に連れてこられたみたいね。
渦の中で我も確認した。
the voice room.
こんなやり方で連れてこなくても
まったくだ。何が目的でこんなことを。
急ぎ伝えたいことがあったらしい。
Oh.
これを
竜帝のかけらだ。これに水流の伝言が封じられているようだ。
大丈夫なのか。また暴走したら。
マーリュウの気配はない。問題はなかろう。なるほど。
何か分かったのか。
汝にこの国を本来の姿に戻してもらうこと、それが水流の望みのようだ。
本来の姿。
No, for me. Needs to make a revolution now.
この国の港は長らく結界に閉ざされていた。それは精霊具の調停者を守護する。
The fuck? Inazuma or something? What the fuck? Bro, no, it's not just Inazuma. This is Japan during, I don't know what period, but they did something like this too.
詳しいことまではわからぬが、汝の一族が代々受け継いできたらしい。
ラフタリアちゃん、お父さんから何か聞いていないかしら。
すみませんそんな話は一度も
お前は知らなくていいことだと思ったんじゃないか。
はい
精霊具。
Spirit
これ
implements.
までの流れからすると、生武器のことじゃないか。
お姉さんもそう思うわ。
じゃあ調停者というのは
言葉からすると、生武器の持ち主を諌める。
Oh, damn.
例えば、勇者が生武器の力を悪用したとき、生武器の力に対抗できる者がいれば、最悪の事態は防げるだろう。奴らの武具は、その技術を応用して、
What a, what a.
直文様
それで結局、具体的にはどうすればいいんだ。
九天楼の結界は天命側によって操作されているそうだ。まずそれを元に戻さねば、我らの仲間は上陸できぬと。
なんだと。
ところをぐるぐる回っていて進めないそうです。
水流の言った通り。
あのまま進んでいても入れなかったのね。
この近くに結界を操作している拠点があるようだ。
Thank God it's not the enemy that sent him here.
意のままに動かされているようで尺だが、ひとまず外に出るぞ。
これは
Kimono?
身元を悟られぬよう水流が着替えを用意したようだ。
How do you want to?
いいやつだ。
Damn, yeah, how well prepared the Dragon Emperor is.
光る桜。
九天楼の固有種大光樹よ。
Oh, damn. This might feel so home for me.
いろいろあったが、どうにかたどり着いたみたいだな。
ここがお父さんとお母さんの生まれた国。
Damn, it was about to end too. What the heck? What? Well, I guess there's nothing more. Yeah, it's already finished. Yeah, it's already finished. Thank God. There's nothing more after this, right? Yeah, nothing. This episode is an episode set up for this new place that we're going to go, and I'm just going to say that yeah, the king. That's the most surprising thing for me. The king actually is a nice person, and I'm just shocked. Like he was actually a very incredible person. Like bro looks like the honor one. Bro was alone, was able to defeat an army. Like what happened to him? Like what? Like why? And the fact that he is the uncle of these two, like unbelievable. Like I cannot believe that the king that fucked us over, fucked Naofumi over, is we are actually having their niece, having their nieces in our party. Like what? And the king was supposedly was a good guy. Well, I feel like a lot of characters will be initially a good guy, but then he becomes bad. Like I don't understand why did he become bad though. Like because of Melty. Like Melty has some sort of ability that makes you able to manipulate the people around her, because he has able to manipulate 4 heroes, mind you. First Naofumi, and then Motoyasu, and then Ren, and then I forgot the archer. But yeah, she must have some sort of ability. Like she is the catalyst for all the 4 heroes to get a curse series. Like seriously, she plays such a big role as a bitch. Like it's insane how much conflict she can do, and the role that she has done in this anime. Like out of all the characters, she is like whoa. I hate her so much. But I can't deny the contribution that she do to make all the other heroes becoming stronger and gain powers and make them have a realization of their, like making them realize, reflecting on their flaws and everything. But damn, like why? and the emperor here, I feel like she's getting manipulated, or she's actually not doing everything. It's just that this girl here is doing everything and acts as the she acts as the emperor's will, while in reality she doesn't. And I would assume that the emperor is actually a very timid girl, and looking from this, I feel like she's just a kid. So the emperor might be actually a kid. So yeah, this episode is just a setup. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have any expectation for this out for now, because I heard that what you call this arc is going to bring is a very good arc for Shield Hero, but so far I think is okay. I don't think is that incredible for now. So maybe because I'm missing a lot of context from because I haven't watched season 3 until the end. But so far I think I'm still able to understand everything. It's just that, so I don't think it's that good for now. But I cannot judge it. I need to watch it until the end. So yeah, I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoy, please leave a like, subscribe, please share the ability to see more of my content, and yeah, peace out.